Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Moonlight and creating a new entry. Choose the date and tap the mood tag so context is recorded. Next, type a clear title and a short summary line. This makes later search faster. If you use multiple devices, enable Sync Now so entries unify across phones and web. Once done, add one quick bullet list of highlights to anchor your thoughts. This helps you reflect faster tomorrow and keeps the habit immediate and sustainable. You expand the entry using structured prompts. Gratitude, wins, lessons learned, and specific emotions. This guides focused reflection. Make sure to attach photos or short voice clips when words miss the detail because multimodal records trigger richer recall. When you have multiple thoughts, use tags and folders for later retrieval and apply a template to repeat a reliable structure. Once your core content is written, scan quickly for clarity, and you finish by reviewing the entry aloud, set a privacy lock if needed, and save. Export weekly snapshots or enable automatic backups so you never lose months of work. If you plan to revisit, add a follow-up task or reminder within the app to prompt reflection. If sync or upload fails, try toggling network, re-authenticate your account, and force a manual backup. This usually clears conflicts. Finally, celebrate the habit. Consistency matters more than perfection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.